Alright everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, please subscribe down below. So part 1 of the video was showing you the walk around of the speakers and the head unit. This video will be of the music playing from the head unit. So I am gonna play this one song right here, La Rue. It's a remix, but I'll put it at volume 20, which is not that high, but high. And let's see if you can hear it. And let me move these aside. I have my bass leveler right here too. So I'll go to my age, 36. And where are we at on the boost?
We can find our desires.
It's right there.
But when we start making fires, we get outside. Whether we like it or not, they say we can love who we trust. But what is love without lust?
So the bass is not even all the way up. Right there. When the bass kicks in, I'll put it louder for you guys so you can hear it. And I can go to level 40 and the speakers won't crackle or anything. So it's gonna be, the bass is gonna kick in right now. Full bass. So that's pretty dope. Let's go to another song so I can show you guys. Go search. Survival of the Fittest. So it's Mob Deep. So let's see if it just. Hopefully, no. That's it from the bottom. You try. Hold on. Let's go. Play Mob Deep Survival of the Fittest.
Available to Spotify Premium.
I have Spotify
Give
Premium.
this Spotify Survival of the Fittest station a listen.
Sending this one out to my man Killer B. No doubt indeed. Without weed, you know what I'm saying? That old real shit. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. You can run, but you can't hide forever from these streets that we done took. You walking with your head down, scared to look. You shook, cause ain't no such things as halfway crooks. They never around when the beef cooks in my part of town. It's similar to Vietnam. Now we all grown up and old and be on the cops' control. They better have the riot gear ready. Trying to back me and get rock steady. By the Mac 1 double, I touch you and leave you with not much to go home with. My skin is thick, cause I'll be up in the mix of action. If I'm not at home, puffin' live, relaxing. New York got a nigga depressed, so I wear a slug proof on the to get dope.
So let's check out the radio, how it sounds with the subwoofer for FM.
Accident, call sweet.
So let's see.
This is top one post me. Jumped in the game, felt like they coaching me, 400 racks, ain't but it showed me. I'm on the road and I been it with me when I'm in traffic. It's always a tears bad, and she do it. From the back, she giving me.
It's not that bad.
Jump in the slide to the other side. It's always a man down. Draw down, hands in the other, make one move, get down. Giving out smoke so long, they don't even wanna talk no more. They just run down. No lock doors, I serve with a server. Got spent, she was hanging with a op. We call them Mickey, talk to the cops. I was on Panda, back in the day, I invested in the block.
Yeah, so so that's the sound from my Pioneer and my Kicker speakers and Kicker subwoofer. Hopefully you guys like it, and please like and subscribe, and I'll do more upgrades, and hopefully I won't get frustrated when I'm installing stuff, and I'll film it. But I got kind of pissed that you bought the plug and play adapters and the speakers were cut, so you couldn't use the adapter. So it's easy, just snip the 2 wires, cut them, and then put them together. But just frustration on that. And then inside the head unit bay, the harness was intact, so I used the harness that I bought from Crutchfield, but there was other things back there that were snipped, so I rewired them up, like put the heat shield on them and got my heat gun and lit them up. So, but yeah, but I'll do more upgrades. But thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe. Bye.